RVs, motorhomes, these beasts of the road are more commonly found in America.
What a rig you got there, amigo!
But today we find ourselves with the keys to this very special